Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use color drop icon to choose the color tint for your app icons. So if you want to set your app icons to a tint, however you want to match it with your wallpaper, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and long press anywhere on the screen until your app starts to jiggle. Then tap on edit at the top left, then tap on customize. Here you need to select tint or tinted. This will now tint all the icons on screen. Now to match the tint with your wallpaper, go ahead and select this color dropper here. Tap on it, and now go ahead and select whatever color you want to match the tint with. So I'll go ahead and match this. I'll try another one, this, and I'll try another one. And I think I like this much better. Once you're done, go ahead and tap anywhere on the screen, and that will set the tint color for your app icons on your iPhone. And there you go, that is how to use color drop icon to choose the color tint for your app icons on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.